Ladies and gentlemen, behold. We have here a water heater element that looks like it auditioned for a role in a disaster movie and nailed it. This poor fella burnt out faster than my New Year's resolutions. Now, what caused this fiery fate? A slab leak on the hot side. This sneaky leak had our water heater working overtime like it was training for a marathon, except it forgot to take a break and hydrate. First, we drained the water heater using the trusty M18 Transfer Pump. It's like the vacuum cleaner of the plumbing world, sucking up water faster than a toddler with a juice box. Next up, removing the old element. This thing's so fried, you'd think it spent a week at the beach without sunscreen. Remember, folks, elements are like relationships. When they burn out, it's time for a replacement. And here we go, installing the new element. It's shiny, new, and full of hope, kind of like a rookie on their first day of work. Just remember to tighten it well. We don't want this newbie running off at the first sign of pressure. Finally, we flip the switch and let there be hot water. The new element is ready to take on the world, or at least heat your showers. And there you have it, folks. Another water heater saved from the clutches of a sneaky slab leak. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Because just like a burnt-out element, you don't want to miss a thing. See you next time, plumbing warriors.